situation, you guys. Me getting my first tattoo. I'm just gonna be talking to you guys about my experience, the meaning, and like the pain tolerance type of thing, and also like how I like took care of it. So yeah. So without further ado, let's look at the footage.
That's good quality. Look at it. This is inappropriate, Crystal.
Got my first tattoo about a month ago. I got it done, I believe, March 23rd. And the day I did it, I wasn't actually gonna do it. I was always unsure of doing it that day. I thought I'll just wait till my birthday, my 19th, to do like the other one I want to get, or like to save up enough money for 2 other tattoos I wanted to get, just so I can do it all in one day. But then I was like, oh, you're already here, what's the point? You know what you want. And so that's what happened. The meaning behind my tattoo is my mom. My mom is a Libra, so her zodiac is the balance. And before, I wanted to get her signature or her initials, but every time I spoke about getting a tattoo, she was always like, no, get my zodiac sign, don't get my signature or my initials. I like my zodiac better. But she always said it like jokingly. She never thought I was actually gonna get it. And so when I showed it to her, she's like surprised. And at first I kind of didn't like the balance, like before I got it. I was like, I wasn't sure to get the balance or to get her signature. So then I looked on Pinterest and I saw this cute, the balance. I'll have it posted right here, somewhere on the screen. And I liked it. And I was like, oh yeah, like it made me change my mind and get the zodiac sign. So that's the meaning behind it. It's my mom. And the reason I chose to put it on the left side of my chest is because that's where my heart is. And of course my mom is always going to be in my heart. And I just thought, like, have it symbolically. I don't know if I said it right, but yeah. The pain was like a 7, and then it slowly started going down to like a 1. Like the most pain I got was on the sides right here. Like I said, it was like a 7. It started going down, and it felt like once it started like going down, like the pain, it honestly felt like someone was writing on a pen on your skin. Like, you know how like when the pen, like the ink doesn't go on easily, you have to like go layers. That's how it felt like for me. The products I use to take care of it are listed down below. It's the Aquaphor shampoo, the kids one unscented, and the Aquaphor lotion. I'll have it posted on the screen or either down below. But in the clips, I show the products. That way, you know, when you go to Walmart or Target or whatever, you know, you can like recognize it just by looking at it. I used the Aquaphor Cleansing Baby Wash and Shampoo. I apply it on my tattoo. Then I used the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. It's just a lotion. It's unscented. Both products are unscented, which is good for when you have fresh tattoos. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below for any video requests. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on my notifications. Till then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys!